Hello guys, welcome to the market trading. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you, I'll be talking about the easiest way to start from scratch as a beginner trader to become a day trading, or like to be day trading or become a day trader. And which I'm going to be sharing from my own personal experience of how I moved from a novice to beginner, from someone that knows nothing about the market to someone that knows something, and for being a profitable trader right now. And I would say it's a very long journey, but I thank God because I have about over 5 years of trading, and which I'm going to be helping you get because I make my channel to also help other people. So let's get started and just sit back and let's dive into it. Before I continue, subscribe to this channel and don't just subscribe alone. Click on the subscribe button and also put on the notification so as to get notified instantly when a new video is uploaded. You can also check all our other videos, or go to our playlist just to look at different playlists we have, which one you want, technical analysis, foreign analysis, and the likes, and just choose whichever one that suits you. So, as a beginner or as someone that knows nothing about the market but want to start trading, the first thing you need to know is that you must have two skills in trading: technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So we have what we call candlestick and the likes. All those candlestick, chart patterns, trend lines, and everything, they all fall under technical analysis, as you can see. The chart patterns, candlestick, reading chart, analyzing the market, where you can just look at the chart, look at what is going on in the chart, and predict whether it's going up or coming down, and look for a buy zone or a sell zone. Look for other block, look for support and resistance, whichever strategy you want to be using. You must have two skills. The first one is technical analysis. Technical analysis is basically just looking at the chart, analyzing it, and predicting where the price will be going next. While fundamental analysis is just basically you looking at the economy, macroeconomic variables, like the economic news. Maybe there is a news that is pumping a part. If you are into crypto, maybe there is a news pumping a particular crypto. Maybe there's a news pumping a particular forest, uh, which uh, which you want to know. The particular news is pumping a particular Forex pairs, Euro USD, GP USD, or maybe a particular company is releasing its earnings report, maybe pumping their stocks, or they acquire, or a new company acquire them, or they acquire another company. You know, it could be anything, which is why we call it fundamental news, just basically driven by economic news, event news, and every other thing that is apart from technical analysis, that is apart from you looking at the chart. But people basically believe, or let me say, most technical traders believes that everything on the chart is everything that is going to happen in the news is always on the chart, which I also believe too because uh the reason why I believe so is that uh anytime I'm on chart trading and then the next day you might see news, but everything has already aligned on the chart setup, maybe on a support, other block, and you're already in the trade and the news just happened the next day and boom, you see pumps and you be like, some people think like, oh, how did he know? There is no insider information, it just everything is always on the chart, which that which is why people actually believe that everything on the chart is always, or everything that will happen is always on the chart, that the chart says it does. And I would say I'm part of the people that believes in that the chart says it all, which means that if you have a very good technical analysis, you can still be trading better than someone that follows the news. And like I said, everyone has their own strength, but I believe that technical analysis is very important skills that you have to have. For the fundamental analysis, you have to have where to get your information. For Forex traders, like the FX books, for crypto traders, like the Twitter, or other news forum like crypto news and the likes. For stocks trader, there are some apps for stocks that release news and the likes, or or the company itself and the like, their website, or their official page and the likes. So these these two skills is very important for you. If you don't have a very good technical analysis skills, you don't have a very good fundamental analysis skills, I don't think the trading is for you. But if you have a very good technical analysis skills and fundamental analysis skills, trading is for you. It's what you can learn if you don't have it because you're a beginner and a novice. If you don't have it, you can learn it. Because it's a very, very required skills you must have, or you must have to succeed in being profitable in the market so as not to keep blowing your account and losing money. So the next one we're talking about, even after you have all these skills, you need a very good risk and money management. When you go on YouTube, you see all these influencers, all those YouTubers that they just show you that they turn $1 to $1,000 in one day, or in 2 days, or in 2 hours. They're trying to show you how they turn $10 to 5,000 in those 2 hours, or in one day, all this kind of stuff. I will not say it's fake, and I will not say it's not real. They are real. I have also shared on this channel that I turned $30 to $7,700 and I also lost it all. That was when I started trading with binary option then, which I also showed you guys proof before if you have been following me for a long time. So, like I said, it's possible, but what I'm trying to say is that it's not as easy as you think. Let me say, no, Rome is not built in a day. So let me just put it that way. So trading is not as easy as make you think that if you fund $10 today, you are going to buy a Rolls Royce tomorrow. They make you believe that if you fund just that $5 tomorrow, they are going to make you feel that you are going to buy a house in the next week. Like if you put all your life savings, you are going to buy a private jet in the next month. It is not like that. You can gamble. There are people that just put in the $1,000 and gamble all the whole money. If it goes, it goes. If it comes, it comes. If it comes, they win big. They can turn 1,000 to 5,000 in 2 hours or in few minutes because they gamble. But someone that doesn't value gamble, that doesn't have a lot of money to gamble, won't do that. Do you understand? So, as a beginner, there's one thing you should prioritize, which is risk management and money management. Because let's assume you are someone that don't have money and you started with little you have and you blow it, automatically it's going to discourage you from trading, which is why people say trading is scam. Trading is not scam. People make money from it, and I make money from it, which is why I'm telling you now that it's not a scam. If you have the right skills, it's a legit way for you to make money. Easy. Just sitting on a system, analyzing the market, and just printing money off the charts. You must have a good risk management. You must have a good skills, have good risk and money management. You might set a risk-based rules that I only want to lose 5 trades in a week, and I want to risk only 1% of my balance or 2% on every trade. So once you reach those amounts and you hit your mass loss in a week, wait the end of the week, no matter how good the next setup you are seeing is, if you have meet your target, your loss target or your profit target, wait the next week, wait the following week. If you have meet your loss target for the month, wait for the next month. In trading, you can say you are missing opportunity, but let me tell you, opportunity does not finish in the market. There is always a perfect opportunity. If you miss one today, there will be another one tomorrow. If you miss one tomorrow, there will be another one next week. There's always a perfect opportunity in the market. The best thing is to have a balance or money to trade it whenever it comes. But if you don't have a good risk management or a money management and you're already blown your account, by the time another opportunity comes, you don't have anything to place it. Which is why FOMO, you should avoid it. FOMO means fear of missing out. You are meant to enter a trade at the right entry, or you miss it. And you feel like it's going to continue going this way. Let me enter. You don't want to miss out. You jump into it, which is wrong. So having a good risk management and money management is very important. I also talk about risk management in my channel. You can see it here. Videos, I think home. You can see how to turn, not this one. Let me see. Probably I have to go to playlist to show you guys. I think it should be on playlist. I think crypto. Let's look at it. Welcome to the market channel. That was a very old video. This money management, how to stop blowing accounts. You can see this one. Looking for the risk management. I know I have a risk management video where I explain how I lost my money at the beginning of my trading career, and how I've been able to discipline myself and also trying to make it back. It should be there. Yeah, you can see the risk management. You can see this is also it. You can also see that and watch the video. I would say even this should be about 3 or 4 years old by now. But irrespective, I've even improved myself than this. So everything's about time. You keep adjusting over time. So after if you have these good skills, which I can teach you if you want, all you need to do is just let me know in the comment section. I can start making video one by one on each of these topics to help you guys in your trading career. But these are the steps. You can also go on YouTube and also search each of these topics one by one to learn it. The next thing is self-discipline, market psychology. Don't let the market play with your emotion. Discipline yourself, like I said. If you want to have just a single trade per day, mine as an example. I only take one trade in a day, meaning that I know based on my own self-discipline that once I take this trade and I lose it, I'm not trading again for that day. I have two accounts, fine. I can take one on one and go for the second one, making two trades. But on a single account, I only take one trade in a day. So before I take that particular trade, I will have make sure that that trade is a perfect trade for me. Everything aligns well to my strategy before taking it. Because I mean that once I take the trade and I lose it, I'm done for the day. And in a week, I only have 3 loss mass. So meaning if I lose 3 loss, if I should lose three trade in a week, I'm done for the week. These are the things I follow strictly. And before I place any trade, I have to make sure that everything aligns well. I'm not just jumping in. I'm not just saying this it should go up. Don't forget everything is based on probability. You must make sure that you are trading or taking trade on high probable level, HP, trades that have high probability of winning. That's all. Once you do that, have a self-discipline and strictly follows it. I'm telling you, even with 60% or 40% win rate, you can still be profitable, especially if you have a good win rate. Maybe you are risking 1%, getting 5%, risking 1%, getting 3%, risking 1%, getting 8% or 10%. You will see how your portfolio just keeps growing tremendously. After that, we need what we call take out your emotion and execute your plan. Whenever trade comes to your entry or the area you want to trade, you don't need to start saying, oh, should I enter? I think it might not bounce. I think it will not respect this level. I think I should wait. Don't second guess yourself. One trade aligns perfectly with your trading plan and your strategy. The best thing you can do for yourself is to just go ahead and execute the trade, execute the plan without taking emotion into consideration. Once you don't allow emotion to overrule you, I'm telling you, you're profitable. Once you act according to your plan, you act according to your trading strategy, and you use a proper risk management, you're not risking 10% or you're risking 20% of your account on a single trade. Risking 1% on a single trade, meaning you have about 100 trades. There's no way you can have 100 trade loss on a row, except maybe there's some village people or there's anything wrong with you. So that's just it. If you keep choosing up, 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 it can be up 100 times. I'm telling you. What I'm trying to tell you is that good risk management with good RR, taking care not emotion, with good skills, and execute your trade when it comes to your levels, you become profitable. Do this consistently for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, you will see growth. Be straight in your self-discipline, you will see growth. You can first of all be transiting from loss to being making profit and losing it. From there to being making profit and sustaining. From there to being breakable. From there being profitable. And as you do that, you see how you have grown tremendously. So that'll be all for today. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.